What is going on, people? I hope you're keeping well. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded the last video, but I do apologize. I've got a bit of explaining to do. Now, I didn't want to milk anything out of what I'm about to say, so that's why I've just kept it quiet. But when I was actually doing the heater matrix video, which I'll put somewhere up here, I wasn't actually very well. I tested positive for coronavirus. So yeah, that's sort of put plans on hold. I've been in recovery stage here, trying to just chill and not fix cars outside when it's freezing cold and that type of stuff. But I actually contacted from my partner, so she's a frontline worker. She ended up getting it, and it was inevitable that I was gonna get it. It was just a matter of time that it came to me. So it hit me about a week later, and I didn't want to make a big deal of it. I could have pumped out video after video of how I'm feeling and this and that, but I didn't want to make any big deal of it. I thought I'd rather just keep it low key, recover nicely, and then start banging out some videos. And yeah, I've just been sort of chilling out, trying not to do anything. I didn't want to fix any cars and that type of stuff. Especially now that it's getting cold. I've just been in recovery, you know what I mean? I didn't want to prolong this whole issue of recovering from this coronavirus and whatever. But yeah, with that said, I don't really want to ramble on about that. I'm feeling good. All of us have pretty much recovered. With me, it's just my taste and smell that's still affected. We've not had any serious symptoms, thankfully, and we're getting there, you know what I mean? Onwards and upwards for 2021 is all I can say. We all need to fight through this pandemic and just, keep strong and be together, support each other, help each other where we can, guys, wherever you are in the world, not just in UK. So yeah, going into the actual video itself, cars have been on hold, they've been sitting, the Golf's hardly been driven, the Type R has not even done much at all. So I thought, I'll go through a couple of things with a fine tooth comb and show you guys what the plans are for the Type R and really the Golf. There's not much planned for the Golf as such, but more for the Type R, and trust me, a lot of exciting stuff for 2021. So there's going to be loads of content between both the cars, to be honest with you, the Civic and the Golf. Because these are the two cars I have at home. So I have some really nice plans for 2021. I'm very, very excited, and I can't wait to put those plans into action. Trust me, I've been buying parts and getting stuff for this car before I even bought the car. So that tells you the level of planning that I've had. Planning ahead, just trying to find the right car. Hopefully this is the right one, and we can start putting those plans into action. But yeah, with that said, I'm gonna go through a couple of bits and pieces. The Golf, that's still been parked, nothing much. After the heater matrix was fixed, that's got a couple of bits and pieces that need doing on it. It's parked over there, as you can see, looking sorry for itself. It's on trickle charge, and as I said, the weather's not been great. It's really been very cold, and I've not been messing with any cars, trying to just recover from this whole corona thing. You're probably going to watch this a day before Christmas or on Christmas or after Christmas. So I thought at least let me make a video, wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Thank you for all the support you've given me this year on this channel. And I mean, we've grown at such a crazy rate this year. I think we've gained over 1,000 something subscribers. So yeah, massive thank you to everyone that supports this channel and takes the time to watch these videos, because you could do something better, but you choose to watch them. But anyway, I'm rambling on. Let me show you guys what's cooking with the Type R, and yeah, we can start sorting those things out, but I'll start it up now. We'll pull it out of the garage. I need to move the Golf out the way, to be honest. Move that a bit down the driveway, and we'll pull it out the garage, let it warm up, because I've not done that in a while. It's quite dark on the camera, yeah. Look at them trees. Gee, man. Did you hear that? It's got a sticky starter there. There you go. Can you hear that? Hunting its idle. There you go. go again. its own. I don't know. I think that's like some dirty sensor or something. So that's one of the issues. We'll let it warm up and then we'll go through the rest. Next problem, guys. Look at this. Looks like the original undercoolant as well. It's blue in color. Sorry about the wind. It's windy today. But I put a container under here to try and catch some of this coolant, but it's going everywhere. You know, it's absolutely everywhere. So, coolant leak is our next problem. Our hunting idle is the other one. Definitely an engine wash. You know that we need to do that at some stage. You know me, I'll always love my engines to be clean. I mean, look at the Golf, yeah? Look at the Golf's engine compared. Look at that. That's like, you know, like artwork. You know what I mean? Absolutely clean. So, yeah, that's what we need to turn that into something as clean as that. Right, and now problem number 3, guys. If you can see our heat shield, I know the camera is not picking it up, but our heat shield is rattling, and you can see it's tied with like something on there just to secure it. Now you do need a heat shield, so that's probably why the previous owner didn't actually just remove it completely. But we need to look into that. Hopefully I'm going to do an exhaust on this anyway. A header or something of that sort, or a downpipe decat or something. And our next problem is this one. Now, if you look under here, I don't know if this camera is going to pick it up, but the rust underneath this rear bar, I don't know if this is going to be able to pick it up. No, it can't actually pick it up, but you know, the rear protection bar for like if you have an accident or something, that's like quite badly corroded. Now obviously not just for safety reasons, but for reasons of, you know, preserving the car. I have to have that sorted. Now I know you can get them from Tegiwa and stuff, so they're cheap. Right, the other thing as well, guys, as I mentioned on my review video of this car, is can you see the bumper? The bumper doesn't actually sit right, because in there's like a piece that holds on to that, like a metal frame in there, and that's broken, so you can see that pops out. So if anyone knows of a Nightwalk black bumper, facelift, not pre-facelift, cheap or reasonable, please hit me up on here. Let me know, guys, because I'm after one. I've been looking online and they're way too expensive. They're like 350 quid and half of them are damaged anyway. So that's another thing we need to sort out on this car. We need to get a grill as well, as I mentioned, because that's damaged. Hopefully it's not the radiator that's gone, I'm hoping. I might have to change that out anyway, but I'm hoping it might just be a pipe or something, not the actual core, because that's going to be a bit of a nightmare. But I think that's pretty much it. The timing chain on here, I don't have any history of the chain being changed, so I think I'm going to probably have to have that done, because when the car's running and you rev it slightly, you can hear it's quite rattly. So it's either the chain or the actual valve clearances, which I'm going to need to do. But I wouldn't call those problems. I'd just say that's routine maintenance stuff that, you know, we need to do and complete. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it for now, guys. You know, exterior wise, the car's fine. You know, a little bit of paint peel here and there, but yeah, that's nothing major. It's quite a straight car. It's not actually too bad. There's a small dent in that door, but yeah, you know, it's an old car anyway. It's nothing new. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna jump in here and then we'll finish off this video. So yeah, I've just jumped back in the car and brought the Civic back in the garage because it's too cold out there. I thought I'd finish off this video and explain to you guys what the plans are for 2021. Because I don't know if I'm going to drop a video before that, but I know every single year I make an exhaust video in January. For the past 2 years I've done that, so I will be probably doing a video on the spoon exhaust of the Civic. because it's just like, I don't know, it's like a tradition now. Every January I do an exhaust video. The first one was the Miltec. The other one I did was the Ep3 one on that X6M that I reviewed. And this year it will be the Civic. So yeah, I thought I'll let you guys know so you can, you know, keep an eye out for that video. But yeah, without anything else to say, those are the little niggles that have, you know, occurred in the past couple of weeks or months since I bought the car. Even though it's not been driven much, it wasn't even driven much by the last owner, to be fair. It's, you know, got these little problems that we need to fix: corrosion, leaks, blah blah blah. You know, that sensor on the throttle position sensor, I think, is dirty, or some sensor in there needs to be cleaned up, which we'll sort out. Probably make a separate video on that. And yeah, there's bits and pieces, you know, that we need to get done. So I thought I'd show you guys that, so you know exactly, you know, where our base is of this car and where we're starting. But I think as far as plans for 2021, we're going to play with this car to begin with at NA level. Exactly what, I'm not going to reveal yet, but we'll play with it at NA level, probably have it mapped up and see what type of power it's running. Then we might do suspension and bits and pieces around the Civic. And that's pretty much it. And then there's something else which you'll see anyway. Hopefully that works out. But there's something that's coming, and yeah, it's exciting. That's all I'm gonna say. The Golf, that'll be, that's just like furniture. Yeah, there's it there. I've just put it down the driveway. That's just like furniture to the channel. That's here to stay for now. It's not been sold or anything. We will be doing bits and pieces. Lots of little things need fixing and stuff on there, so we will complete those. But yeah, I know this is not some, you know, crazy exciting video, but I wanted to at least get a video out to you guys before Christmas, and, you know, wish you all a Merry Christmas, and, you know, I hope you guys have a safe, enjoyable festive season, you know, to say the least, with what's going on. Yeah, and then I'll probably catch up with you guys in the new year. But if you don't hear from me until then, guys, take it easy, keep safe, and I'll see you guys soon again. Take it easy. Cheers. Bye.